traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 9th, and this is my recap of the top real videos of the day, and the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis this morning from the pound dollar, then make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did get a little bit of a double bottom, that 345 shape look on the pound dollar with a pretty decent little bounce. So far it's kind of rejecting structure, but I would say it probably is likely to break structure. I think most likely this break of structure is only telling us that this last wave from here to here is over. So you put your Fibonacci retracement from there to there, and I would actually still be looking very closely, especially if this really is a wave B up here, because more than likely this would actually go up to a Fibonacci level, 3 waves up, and pulse it down for another entry to go short. So definitely keep an eye out for those fib levels. If not, if it does decide to go up and break structure, then definitely would start looking for longs at that point. Otherwise, I'm definitely still primarily on the short side. 3-wave pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces to go short. So anyways, a little bit of a slow news day tomorrow. We have a little bit of pound news in the morning. We got average earnings for the pound, and we got climate count change for the pound tomorrow morning. Definitely probably will move the pound pairs a little bit, so keep an eye on that. Besides that, we got somebody speaking in Canada, the governor speaking in Canada. Anytime somebody talks, it definitely could do something. So, yeah, not really much for the dollar pairs though, because we do have CPI on Wednesday, which is a very big news event for the US dollar pairs. So, in a ways, we do have a few things to keep out an eye out for tomorrow. Anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.